So are you choosing a new toilet bowl? Today we are at W.Atelier, which is the exclusive distributor of TOTO. They have an expert inside that's going to share more about how we can choose a good toilet bowl for your house. Come, let's go. Hey, hello. Hi. My name is Alvin, I'm from Gochu.
Sophia here. Welcome to
Sophia.
the showroom.
Okay,
Yeah.
so today we're helping our audience kind of choose a great toilet bowl for their house. There's so many kind of brands, designs, shapes, functions, technologies. So hopefully you are able to help us share a bit more about how to choose a great toilet bowl for our house.
Of course, definitely. Let me just show you. TOTO is actually Southeast Asia's largest, of course, for our technology and the toilet bowl. The special coating with the flushing and then with all the gadgets lah. So that one we'll touch on later. I would actually, before we start further, I would like to ask whether if your home is for renovation or is a new build.
It's actually for renovation.
Renovation. Okay,
New
because
house.
it's for renovation, most probably for us is considered as replacement. First of all, we will need that distance measurement,
Okay.
which is how it's supposed to be done. Means we need to actually get plumber to actually measure from your finished wall tiles to the center of the discharge hole, which is on the
Okay.
floor. Then we're able to determine which kind of toilet bowl is able to suit.
So I
So
can't
it's
use wall hang lah.
Unless your initial was a wall hung. So what we have, let me just show you our best seller, if let's say for replacement on the floor. What we have two categories is what
Okay.
we call as closed couple. Closed couple, in simple term, we call it as two-piece profile.
Two-piece.
Okay, two-piece profile means over here, you have a tank and bowl dividing. Then after that, the other category we'll be looking at will be over here, is
Okay.
what we call as a one-piece.
Okay.
So in terms of cleaning wise, for one piece is neater in a way because typically cleaning sauce, right? They will actually use water to spray in terms of general cleaning. So the water won't seep through the gap for the one piece profile.
Oh, okay. in
So it's
between
just
here.
white. Yes,
Okay.
correct. Whereas this one you have to, really you can't reach to it. Then you have to wait for bathroom humid to dry up by itself because there's no way to reach to clean in between the gaps. Yes, but of course in terms of pricing, one piece will be more expensive lah because
much
it's more
more
for
difference,
aesthetically.
the
In
price?
terms of bestseller, prices are less than difference $100.
Oh, this is fair.
Yeah, which is
$100.
reasonable. So people usually go more for one piece.
Yeah,
lah.
yeah. So what's so unique about these TOTO bowls?
Right. So besides of in terms of aesthetic look, cleaning, maintenance, just now we're talking about.
Yes.
There are also impopular that actually.
Oh, this thing I just
So
came
it's
up.
add-on
Wow.
washlet. So what we have of the Japan TOTO technology, it will be actually a CeFiONtect coating, which is the stain-resistant coat. So particles actually won't get stuck on the surface. So it's for cleaning, maintenance will be easy. So there's one plus
CeFiONtect,
point.
okay.
Yeah. Then second point will be our popular one, which is tornado flush. So it actually, when the water comes out from the side, so it cleans all surfaces around it. So it cleans better in a way.
So this is to prevent the stain, right?
Yes.
And then this is kind of more thorough washing.
Yes, rather than the traditional flushing where they focus more on the front and back, and the side is always like trickling a little bit of water off the rims. Then that one you're cleaning, you need more time because the algae and everything will start at the bottom. So when it talks about the algae start at the bottom of the tornado, it will naturally come with a rimless technology. That's another thing to talk of.
Okay.
So when we talk about rimless means there will be no holes at the bottom. So it actually focuses from the side. So at the bottom here is totally clean. So you can feel it. So it flushes here, it refills, so it goes around. Our cleaning maintenance, because of the special coating, most probably we will also advise no harsh cleaning solution, no Jif, no bleach, no Dettol, because all these are very abrasive. So mild soap, cleaning detergent solution, mild is good enough really. So usually you won't need toilet brush anymore. So what you need is maybe you can get this sponge holder. So you just clean around it as in one round, which is easy lah. After one round, flush and that's it. So it's meant to actually design in a way where it shorten your cleaning process.
So those brush type won't like scratch away the
It will.
coating?
That's why we
It will.
advise no
Okay.
harsh brush,
You know those blue cube thingy where you throw inside a bowl, also not recommended?
which is no, because they got bleach content. Of course, another one we'll talk about, earlier on we were talking about rimless tornado. The other one is about the CeFiONtect. As in, this is one of the example what we have like with and without. So the one that is with, you actually, if you have stains, you see, it doesn't really actually stains on it. So actually your cleaning is really good.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's way much easier. This is the conventional type. So you tend to stain, so it's like every 2-3 days, the old ones where you always have to clean the toilet.
Wow. Good.
So the technology of what we have on the bestseller, this will be the two that we have in our showroom.
All right.
Here we go. This is our premium actual running toilet.
Wow.
You can see. So when we do the wash, we can actually do oscillating, which is up and down, like what you call it earlier, as a simple term as massage. So this is our basic model of a template where you have a side panel on the side. This is the one with the auto open. Remote control is very different.
Price difference to the rest?
Oh, okay. It will be yeah, so that will add in all.
Feel premium lah.
Correct.